Good morning, everyone. Let's start our lesson today.
Kids, please help me pack these boxes. We're moving to a new city tomorrow.
I can't believe we're going on an airplane.
Remember, we need to pack efficiently.
They are moving to a new city. They are going to travel by plane.
I can't wait to be in the plane.
The taxi is here. Let's go.
Where are kids?
We are here, Mom.
Look at the planes, they're so big.
Yes, we'll be on one of those soon.
Let's check in.
Good afternoon. May I see your tickets and passports, please?
Here you go.
You're all set. Enjoy your flight.
Please remove your shoes and place your bags on the conveyor belt.
Do we have to take off our belts too?
Just to be safe, yes.
Why are they calling out seat numbers?
That's how they make sure everyone gets on the plane in the right order.
Window seat, Yahoo.
Everything looks so tiny down there.
Kids, remember to keep your seatbelt fastened.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're cleared for takeoff.
Here we go.
It's just like a roller coaster, but smoother.
How do planes stay up in the sky?
It's because of the way the wings are shaped and the engines pushing it forward.
This movie is so funny.
It helps the flight pass quickly.
We're starting our descent. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts.
That was a long journey.
But an exciting one.
Everything seems so different here.
That's the fun part of starting anew.
Let's make wonderful memories in our new home.
We are in our new home.
We just moved here by airplane. It was amazing to see the world from up above.
Vocabulary section. In this section, you will learn words regarding airport conversation. So let's start.
The airport. Terminal, the building where passengers check in, go through security, and board their flights.
Security checkpoint, the place where passengers and their belongings are screened before entering the secure area.
Baggage claim, the area where passengers retrieve their checked-in luggage after their flight.
Arrivals, the area where passengers exit the secure area after arriving at the airport. Departures, the area where passengers check in for their flights and go through security. Immigration, the process of checking passports and travel documents when entering or leaving a country.
Boarding pass, the document that allows a passenger to board a flight.
Duty-free shop, a store where passengers can purchase goods without paying certain local taxes.